presentation. Take the nation, chemicals, dangerous, y'all. Seven tight, I'm just saying, you're raising your skin. You're a crash on flex, and history, animal flex. I'm playing with space for free. But it ain't over. I say Heltah, y'all say what?
Skeltah!
Heltah!
Skeltah!
Heltah!
Skeltah!
When I say Skeltah, y'all say Heltah Skeltah!
Heltah!
Skeltah!
Heltah!
When I say Rockness, y'all say Monsta! Rockness!
Monsta!
Rockness!
Monsta!
Check it out, right?
Zulu!
I said, listen, I'm about to go a little bit fast, so y'all want to pay attention, right? I said, the peak body, I'm not gonna calm down and around trucks out of a cocky and not as valuable, stick and slide you grind, hot devices, it's like lots of rockets and drive without a license, whipping with my knee while I'm twisting the power rocket, stay out of my lane, if I hit you, I'm not stopping, anything else will be civilized. Not Rockness, even dressed plain, I'm flying y'all. I pilot, you don't like ignition, now the time you just stop watching. No food for door today, nerds. This is hot topics. Now the vaccine, get your hand out of my pocket, back body walk, have your way to your hot topics. None of your experiments fucking with my projects. We believe in hammers, we pro tools, that is not logic. That's a producer punchline. You pay for sex that make you withdraw, not John Gotti. To the page you be saying, but you next to you Ron Isley. That's a now with a fire repent, not popping. Niggas from Brooklyn will like me, probably cause I'm robbing. You can't see me, cause you can't see me. Not cause you're not watching. I'm not walking without like a flamethrower, bro. When them got a new season before you game over. Niggas lame, hold up, bring over your main soldier. But the folk put a dot on 6 of a Range Rover. You ruin. The closest you get to the takeover, smoking a J and your IROC Z, playing over. Let's get back to hold up. Shout out my brother Cuban Link in the building. Say what the make some noise for my nigga Cuban Link. One of the realest niggas in the back game I ever met. You understand what I'm saying? But I can't hang out with him. Cause when I do, he always have me drinking shit that I don't drink. And I'll be wasted. I don't need to walk out of here with the waste face. But I'm about to take it back to when we started this shit. You got that?